Hello everybody, this is Lori. Welcome to Ganzhou Eastman Technology. Our factory is located in Huangbu Industrial Park, Shangyou County, Ganzhou City, Jiangxi Province. Now let's welcome to visit our workshop. Let's go. Okay, this is our workshop. Let's go. This is our workshop with different machinery tools. For example, the boring lathe, vertical lathe, milling machines, grinding machines. Okay, let's see in details. This is a horizontal milling and a boring machine. Right now, it is cutting the bearing base of the ball mill.